Guys, this is the exercise 3 number 2, some of the questions. For D, we do have what we call vertical asymptotes. All right, that's the vertical asymptote and the horizontal asymptote. So vertical asymptote affects your domain. So for your domain, in this case, your X would be a subset of a real, subset of real, except the value here would be 0. All right. And for the range will be still the same as this, but the range here is, and I just straight away say that your range RAN would be the subset of real backslash 0. Okay, backslash 0. So actually you can do the y subset of real such that it's not equivalent to 0. X-intercept, y-intercept, there is no x and y-intercepts, no x-intercepts, and also no y-intercept. Is it a function? Answer should be yes, because if you run the ruler, it just intercepts once. For the next E, it's the same thing, but just the vertical asymptote has been different. So for the domain here, you can say that it's supposed to be the R backslash curly bracket of -1, and your range R backslash of 2, because the vertical asymptote is 2, y equals to y does not equals to 2 lah. And of course the x-intercepts and y-intercepts you can find. I'm not gonna do that, and it is still a function. For the next F domain, you can say your X subset of a real. That's it. Okay, because it's supposed to be an arrow on the both side, and your range would be y subset of a real, and it should be moving such that -1 y is greater than -1. Okay, y is greater than -1, greater and equivalent to -1, and yes is a function. G domain, your domain would be X subset of real, and your range, you can say that y is subset of R positive. Okay, R positive. It is a function similar to here, your domain. There's quite a lot of segments, so let's do one by one, or you can just say domain is X is subset of real such that X does not equivalent to -2 or X does not equivalent to 2. Okay, I'll use down here for the range. Range, your Y would be subset of real such that your Y is less or equivalent to -1 or Y greater than 0. Okay, for here, it's the same thing for domain. your x is subset of a real, and such that, or you can also use the backslash. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. X does not equals to -1, x does not equals to 2. I should have the word or. Okay, and for your range, it is the y takes all the value except for 2. So it is r, okay, r backslash 2 lah. Okay, backslash 2, or you also can say the answer should be y subset of a real, okay, such that y does not equals to 2. Okay, you can do that.